Hi everybody, I'm Hector Jr. from Dunn One Stop Shop, where we're located in Huntington Beach, California. Well, right behind us here is what we brought this year to SEMA. It's a 1965 Chevy C10 resto mod build. Some of the major highlights on this year's build are definitely the color that stands out to everybody here. Kind of blends in with the Magnaflow booth behind us. The color is a Giallo Orion Yellow. So it's a Lamborghini color, very special. Beautiful paint made by PPG. It's a long bed. You know, a lot of people focus on doing the short beds. This one here, we said, what, let's do a long bed because we like the long, sleek look of it, especially when it's slammed on the floor like the way it is now, thanks to the RideTech air suspension. We shaved off the door handles, so you open it up with the remote controlled door poppers. It does have handles and a switch button inside, so you can open it either way. And one of the highlights, of course, of this truck is definitely the D-Town Smoothie wheels by Detroit Steel Wheel Company. I couldn't have thought of a better wheel to fit our build and to complement this truck. We went for that stealthy, matte look. There's not too much bling, it's very stealthy. It's old school, it's retro, and that's what we wanted. All right, guys, well, let's show you what's underneath the hood now. Richie, if you can give me a hand, please. Nice and sleek, stealthy. Everything's pretty much hidden. Not a lot of wires or hoses running through this thing, and if they are running, it's underneath the inner fenders. LS3, Be Cool radiator, Eddie Motorsport hinges. There's a lot going on inside this hood. Now I'd like to take the time to thank Classic Industries, Magnaflow, RideTech, and of course Detroit Steel Wheel Company. We got Dakota Digital Gauges, which complements our beautiful interior done by Dunn Custom Interiors in Huntington Beach. You got Moore & Giles, that's the company that we use for the leather. Romero's Upholstery Supplies, they supplied a lot of the other upholstery supplies that are used inside the truck. CPP, California Performance Products, they're out of Placentia. Resto Mod Air Conditioning, they have such rad systems, and their controls, they're just one of a kind. I Did It steering column with the push start ID touch engine build. You got the power base audio, Toyo tires, the beautiful polished Be Cool radiator underneath the hood inside the engine bay. Guarantee Chevrolet Performance supplied us with the LS3 and the 4L70E transmission. And last but not least is driveline. So driveline is the drive shaft. Thank you all, I appreciate it. We all do.